Hello, everyone. My name is Kevin Largent. I am an intern here for Taco Bell's marketing team. Today, I wanted to bring to your attention and put focus on um, Taco Bell's expansion into the UK, specifically London, but kind of the UK as a whole. Um, so let's get started. All right. So Taco Bell's global market, like I said, London, UK. So Taco Bell opened its first location in London just recently. Wanted to point out some of the microenvironment actors. Microenvironment actors are the actors closest to the company that affect the company's ability to serve the customers. This could be the suppliers, the public, or even the company itself. I wanted to highlight public because London was one of Taco Bell's most requested markets. Apparently, there are a lot of fans in London. They really want to pull a Taco Bell out there, and we had to deliver. Another microenvironment actor would be our stakeholders, more specifically the president of Taco Bell. Liz Williams came in and said, "We've had our sights set on London for quite some time, and as we continue growing internationally, we're excited to bring Taco Bell to one of the world's largest cities." All right, and then we want to move forward to some of the forces as well. Microenvironment forces are forces that are distinct, such as the competition and the customer behavior. Um, we really want to focus on our competition here. Um, some of them are um, recognizable faces such as McDonald's, Burger King, KFC, but we also have Greg's and Leon that are actually introducing more vegan and vegetarian options. We really want to pay close attention to these guys and see what we can do as far as grabbing some of their customers as well. Another force would be the changes in consumers' behavior. Many consumers are paying more attention to health, so we should be increasing the number of healthier options available. That should include vegan options, vegetarian options, or even just some basic low-calorie options. Like I said, Greg's and Leon both focus on that, and we want to make sure that we're hitting that market as well. We also have macro environment actors. Now, macro focuses on a little bit larger, like a larger societal impact. Macro environment actors looks at factors of the bigger picture. They include politics, economics, and even technological factors. Um, Technology in the age of the smartphone is really our biggest ally at this point. They're saying about 60% of the brand sales in the United Kingdom come from digital, according to Teresa Finney at Forbes. Uh, I mean, if 60% of our brand is selling through digital, a lot of this is coming through mobile apps and other applications for our smartphones. Um, One thing I want to bring to light too was the culture and the society in London. They're huge on parades and they have one of the largest nightlifes in the world. They have an active nightlife that includes about 25 events per thousand people. Uh, we really need to look at what we can do to try to penetrate these events and get our brand out there. We also have other macro environment forces. Um, these are forces that have larger societal influence, such as media or globalization. Again, to play off of the smartphone. I mean, social media is the biggest craze. Everyone's got a smartphone. Everyone's got 3, 4 different social media platforms that they're using. We need to make sure that we're hitting and penetrating each one of those platforms. As I said before, too, e-commerce is an increasing trend. Like I said, 60% of our sales are coming from those online and e-commerce trades. We're also looking at globalization. We now have 6,000 Taco Bells in 26 countries with 1,300 new locations on the way. Um, we want to make sure that for each one of these locations, we're doing something to really focus on the entire environment here. So that's pretty much the presentation. I want to conclude with we've got 111 locations in the UK alone. Taco Bell stands to be one of the largest fast food restaurants in the world. In order to maintain that success, we must continue to acknowledge and analyze interior and exterior actors and forces within the microenvironment. I appreciate you watching my presentation today. Thank you.